My name is Victoria Rambo. I'm graduating this year in 2024. I applied to 11 schools. I got into every single one of them. I chose Virginia Tech because I love the outdoors. I love all of the technical abilities that Virginia Tech has to offer. My freshman year, I got so wrapped up in there's so many options, I don't know what I want to do. I found the foundry program, having that ability to actually say, I can pour material, or I can pour metal, or I made the molds that the material or the metal is going to go into. I think it's a really valuable experience that I wouldn't trade for the world. Magma is a software for autonomous engineering to experiment all of your designs at once of how to actually get your casting to be the most efficient. Ford and even John Deere, they use Magma software to figure out how to make their castings most efficient. For the foundry industry, I was interviewing and I got a bunch of job offers. A lot of people really liked the aspect that I was using Magma. After I graduate, I'm going to be working for Carpenter Technologies, and I'm going to be a research and development associate metallurgist in their associate metallurgist program. I know that all of my experience is what has helped me get this job. There's a lot of women already in the field who are so supportive. I'm actually being interviewed for a book right now, and it's called Women in Steel. It's really great to have a good community. Getting into casting and pouring, you're either gonna like it or you're not gonna like it. It's just about trying new things, getting hands-on experience, getting experience with research. College is the time to figure out what you wanna do. It's just really great to get students in, just to even try it. This has really been a blessing for me, is the Foundry program and figuring out what I wanna do at such an early age.